Let us see. Whoa! Clarity with the Seven of Cups in reverse. And it looks like clarity sa emotions and feelings. Clarity sa more likely love area ng inyong life. Kasi this is more about feelings and having deep connections with someone, no? Like strong, deep connections with someone. This could be you or this could be the person that you're dealing with. But more likely, this is your energy as what I'm picking up. Okay? Basta just take only what resonates. Something to do with that. Let's see more. Mhm. May hindi balanse dito 'no, pero parang medyo nahihirapan kang i-balance ito. For some reason, hindi 'yun kaperahan 'no, pero maaaring meron kang problemang, kinakaharap related sa iyong kaperahan. Pero more likely, with that pentacles, it looks like there's something here more. Parang meron ka ditong bagay na ayaw bitiwan basta-basta or i-let go basta-basta. But, you know, kuha pa tayo ng iba pang information para ano, mas malinaw. Okay? Mas malinaw nating makita. Okay, let's go. Hmm, okay. Mhm. Could be seeing a lot of number fives, pwedeng 555, either number 555 or just number 5, a lot, no? Okay, but doesn't have to be, just take only what resonates, guys, no? So here. Here, ang number 5 no, represents jealousy and even conflicts, no? Arguments. Yan. But if that is something na pwede nating maging sign at clue para sa reading na to, mas malupitang sign at clue ang nakuha natin dito right at the heart or center of this reading, the chariot energy. What does that mean? I do see no, isang energy rito no, or isang sitwasyon kung saan, okay, kung importante sa reading na ito yung conflict, argument, jealousy, pag-aaway, or whatever, may isa pang mas importanteng tatalakayin tayo with the chariot card energy. Wow, no? Parang yung problem, biglang may nakikita na tayo ritong solusyon. Yeah. Hindi talaga natutulog ang Panginoon, no? Nakita tayo rito ng solusyon agad-agad. Wow. Okay? Wow. Hierophant energy. You already have four major arcanas na, no? We now have the Devil energy, the Moon card energy, the Chariot energy, and the Hierophant energy. Wow. Whoa! We now have the Sun. And we have here the Sun and the Moon. Yeah, I remember that song, no? Baby, baby, you're my sun and moon. You know? You're, yeah, I do pick up right here that there's something here being illuminated in your life. The universe wants to tell you something, okay? At mukhang nakukuha na natin yon, no? Wow. Let us see. Wow. Okay. Wow. Isa kang mapagmahal na anak, isang doesn't have to be that you're the breadwinner, but you are someone here who is a very loving daughter or son, no? Or a very loving child sa iyong parents, no? Or you are someone here who loves your family so much at kitang-kita ko iyon. Yan, no? So, you might be family-oriented but doesn't have to be. Okay? I do pick up that this is you. You are willing to do everything for your family, no? Sino ba namang hindi, 'di ba? But here, marami-rami yung energies rito na parang kayo yung klase ng energy na 'pag pamilya talaga, yun ang pinaka-inuuna kaysa sa sarili. Okey, parang sa ako na 'to bibilhin kahit ito yung gusto kong bilhin dito para sa pera na 'to, ito ay ilalaan ko na lamang dito, you know? So, makikita ko rito that 'pag pagdating sa pamilya, You're doing everything that you can para unahin ang iyong family. Okay? So, parang ganito rin yan, no? May mga example pa tayong ibibigay. Like, kunwari, meron kayong salo-salo or, may parang kita-kita lang kayo after work since Friday naman, example lang to, no? Pero, sinabi ng iyong mom, no, na wala siyang kasama sa bahay, no? Dahil umalis yung kapatid mo or whatever, no? This is you. You are not someone here na, ay, mamaya na nga yun si mama kasi makikipag-inuman muna ako dito with my mga trabaho 'no. Hindi, hindi gano'n. So, kung sino man yung mga energies na kuha ko rito, 'pag pamilya, yun ang pinaka-priority at very loving na family member ka. So, bago natin pag-usapan pa ito more, let me just greet everybody first. Welcome to Dalnim channel. Dalnim is the goddess of the moon in Korean. Yan, no? So, if hindi niyo pa knows, mayroon pa po tayong other channel. Link is down below sa ating description box. Kaya if interested kayong tumambay dun sa ating main channel, araw-araw ay meron din tayong collective readings for all signs. No matter what your zodiac sign is, as long as mga babes, no, nakaka-resonate kayo sa mga mensahe, then you can claim those. If not, then just leave the rest behind kasi baka for other viewers naman iyon. Okay? And bukod doon, meron din tayong mga reading per zodiac sign. Kaya kung hanap mo specific zodiac sign reading, meron po tayo yan sa ating main channel, no? Weekly po natin yan ginagawa at ina-upload right away. Yan o, sa inyo mga babes, no? Wala rin po tayong gender, sa babae, lalaki, LGBT. Everybody welcome. Pwede rin pong mag-switch ng roles dahil possible talagang magkapalit-palit ang mga energies dito dahil isa itong general reading. And at the end of the day, everybody, you hold your free will with you na free nyo pong gamitin, no? Anumang oras, no? At kailanman, saan man. So, yan mga babes, no? Ako po si Yan. Welcome new viewers. Returning tambayers, thank you ha. Sa walang sawang pagtambay talaga, no? Sobrang na-overwhelm yung heart ko. Okay, so nakikita natin dito with the double energy, 9 of Wands energy. I do pick up, no? Yan. I do pick up right here, no, that you're related or connected here with someone toxic, With the taste of your lips, I'm on a ride. Yan. Okay? Kanta ni Britney Spears, okay? Toxic. Yan, di ba? So, nakita ko dito that you are inside a toxic relationship or connection with someone. At nakikita ko rito, no, na malapit nang matapos ang inyo ritong paghihirap, no, ang inyo ritong sacrifices sa loob ng relationship na to. And with that particular lyric of that song, no, na nakuha natin, it is because even though this is something here toxic, no, you want to stay into this type of comfort because you do not want to lose that person because of love. Okay? So, nakita ko rito na pagmamahal pa rin ang nangingibabaw dito sa inyo. That's why you're not choosing to live even though pagod ka na. So, ikaw ito na hindi mawarian with the moon card energy, 5 of Swords right here, kagaya ng binanggit ko sa inyo. Yan, no? 5 is being very evident here, pero it's all about jealousy. If not, pwede rin naman na jealousy rin, tapos may argumento, may conflict, may pag-aaway. Parang ikaw 'to nahihiwagaan, parang ano ba nangyayari dito sa relationship natin? Bakit ba kahit na ginagawa ko na yung lahat para hindi tayo mag-away, kahit na pinagbibigyan kita, bakit lagi pa rin nauuwi sa pagtatalo, sa pag-aaway, sa hindi pagkakasunduan dito? Parang hindi natin napagtatagumpayan, 6 of Wands energy to the 5 of Swords right here, no? Hindi natin napagtatagumpayan ang mga challenges na dumadating sa atin. Walang kooperasyon ang inyong partner dito. Pagod ka na pero you're keeping this relationship alive. But as I can see, ikaw lang yung nag-e-effort, sweetheart, no? I'm sorry na nakita natin yun dito, but meron kang dapat na i-look forward dito, honey. So, okay? Huwag ka masyadong mag-worry. Okay? Pero ikaw ito, that you are in your state of mind, that probably you're thinking na kahit na nagsasama kayo ng person mo, pwede kasing mag-live-in kayo or magka-live-in partner kayo, no? Or kung kasal man kayo, asawa mo siya, nagsasama kayo sa isang bubong. If not, kung boyfriend-girlfriend mo 'to 'no, parang ayan 'no, nakita mo may gap sa pagitan ninyo. Parang kahit magkasama kayo parang feeling mong layo-layo ng loob niya sa'yo. Parang kahit na sinusubukan ninyo 'no, na magpakumbaba kahit na hindi kayo yung may mali dito, bakit parang ang layo-layo pa rin ng pagkakasundo sa inyong dalawa? Ano ba rito yung mali? Ano ba yung dapat ditong itama? Kasi willing naman ninyong gawin just to keep this relationship alive 'no. But it looks like the other person is not cooperating. It's always about jealousy right here 'no. Puwedeng meron ditong unhealthy na jealousy, okay? Puwede rin naman na may unhealthy obsessions 'no, and, unhealthy na possessions. Puwede rin naman na this person right here is someone who's narcissistic. Nakita ko 'yun dito. Yeah, yung mga konektado dun na puwedeng siya ay love bomber, gaslighter, yes. And nakita ko dito na parang medyo nalulungkot kayo because parang hindi niya rito tinutupad yung pangako niya 'no, nung nag-uumpisa pa lamang kayo. So kung sino man 'tong enerhiya na 'to, nakikita ko rito that you love this person still. May pagmamahal ka pa rin 'no, pero nakikita kong tatapusin na 'yan ni universe 'no, 'tong relationship na 'to ninyong dalawa. 'Yan 'no, parang ikaw 'to Miss 'yan, alam ko na 'yan din yung dapat ko at tama kong gawin. Pero hindi ko alam kung kaya ko ba talagang mawala yang tao na 'yan sa buhay ko. Yes, kaya mo siyang mawala sa buhay mo babes. You just need to find that strength inside you and you just need to realize that you deserve more than this. That you do not deserve to be into this person's life dahil hindi niya mina-match ang inyong energy. And that this person here is giving you more na parang more na less, 'di ba? Less, less, less dito ng dapat ay deserve mo. But whoever this energy is, this person here keeps on draining your energy, no? This person here keeps you worrying a lot araw-araw, no? Not responding agad-agad sa inyong mga mensahe. Dati naman nagre-reply agad, no? Tumatawag pa nga, no? Ngayon, pautay-utay ang mga mensahe, pakunti ng pakunti. I'm seeing a lot of conversations right here, no? Na parang nawalan ng gana siya. Okay? Others of you, kung ano-ano na tumatakbo sa isipan ninyo, maybe there's a third party na tao dito. Maybe there's someone else na babae or may lalaki siya rito. This is you. Okay? Para ka na ritong luka-luka, no? Or parang feeling mo maluloko ka rito, no? Or parang feeling mo bubuang ka, gano'n, no? Because you're thinking about lots of things, no? You're thinking about na parang baka may ginagawa na siya rito hindi maganda, nawawalan na ba siya ng gana rito, wala na ba siyang love for me. Those are all your fears because all of those fears 'no, ang pinakatinutumbok ng lahat ng takot na 'yun ay walang iba kundi ayaw mong magtapos ang inyong relasyon, ayaw mo na magkaroon ng pag-iwan dito sa'yo. Pero mga babes 'no, yeah, I know this might sound na parang hindi mo ito magustuhan at first, but I'm seeing you right here 'no, na magiging happy ka pa rin sa dulo nito. Bakit ano ba 'yan Miss yan 'no? Universe will take away this person right here. Not make him or her chogi, but the universe will end yung kanyang role sa buhay mo. Ayoko miss yan. I love this person here so much. Okay lang, titiisin ko lang na ginaganyan niya ako kahit hindi niya masyadong pinapakita na love niya ako, kahit na matagal pa siyang mag-reply, kahit na hindi niya sagutin yung mga calls ko, basta nandiyan lang siya, yan mga babes, no? Una sa lahat, hindi siya rebulto. At hindi rin siya santo, o na dapat ay maging display lang sa buhay mo, dapat kumilos siya, dapat gumalaw siya, dapat mag-reciprocate siya ng kung anong binibigay mo, dapat siyang binabalik rin sa'yo. No? Hindi siya rito figurine, hindi siya rito display, hindi siya rito statue, no? Or statwa, no? This person here should, or I mean, must give you the right treatment that you deserve, sweetheart, that type of love that is unconditional. You know that feeling. That's the very comforting love, no? Of all. Pero hindi niya yun binibigay. That's why the universe will end the role nitong tao na to sa buhay mo. Bakit? Dahil sa kanya. Chariot card energy. Someone here is also nagsa-stand out very strongly sa inyong reading. Someone is coming right to you with the Chariot card energy. As you can see, yung parang act like horses dito na parang yan, no? Ayan, no? Nakaupo pa sila but they're preparing to go, no? Kung sino man to energy na to, no? All his or her bags are packed, no? And he or she is ready to go. Yeah, no? All his bags are packed and he's ready to go. You know, at kung babae naman siya, all her bags are packed and she's ready to go. You know? Coming your way na siya rito at kung sino man siya with the Hierophant energy. This is the person who will prove you that marriage is real, that love is real, that unconditional love is what you truly deserve. Wow. So the shine, eh, I know, the sun will shine sa east, okay, and this person appears to be the Knight of Cups energy and the Two of Cups. This is the person you're destined to be with. Someone who is bright as the sun. So nakikita ko rito na mag-offer sa'yo with the Knight of Cups energy ng true love. Someone na magbibigay ng contentment sa'yo. Someone na hindi mo kailangang hingin or limusin or hindi mo kailangan na ipagsabi, no, para ibigay sa'yo, kundi kusa niya itong gagawin, no. You are the Queen of Cups energy, Ten of Coins and the Ace of Wands, no? You deserve to be loved because you are someone who gives your all when it comes to affection and love. Napakabuti at busilak ng puso mo, sweetheart. And universe wants to gift you a present of love. I'm seeing Ace of Wands right here. A new passionate love is coming towards someone very loving as, very loving just like you. Wow! For the initials, nakita tayo rito ng Victory V, very evident, ha? Pwedeng meron siyang Victory V sa kanyang name or sa kanyang surname. Pwede ring start yan ng kanyang surname or kanyang first name, no? Pero for some reason, nakakuha tayo rito na hindi lang first name ang meron siya, possible rin na may second name din siya. Kung hindi man letter V, nakita rin tayo rito ng letter N. So, maaring may letter N siya sa pangalan or baka ikaw, meron ka yan, okay? At posible na meron din siyang letter T, no, sa kanyang pangalan, no? So, pwedeng yan ay kanyang first letters, no, or first letter ng kanyang first name or surname. Just take how this resonates, okay? So, ito yung mga nakuha nating mensahe here for you guys. Thank you so much. Sending you love and light.